Meerkat here with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. Today's lesson is on always use a stop when trading. Hey, let's take a look at a trade we had this morning in the Grokstar trading room, and it was on CSX, and here it was in a symmetrical triangle right after opening here, and it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and it was just underneath the $50 mark here. You see that? If you want to know more about a symmetrical triangle, you can just go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com, and you can just go up here to Chart School. It's free, and go to Chart Patterns, and we're talking about a symmetrical triangle right here. We just click on that, and getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and it was already up 6% on the day due to earnings, and if it breaks out above this line, we want to get long. And we can read about it here, and then down here are some examples of where we've done it before. In fact, I even have an embedded video from a day trade. Boy, that was from 2014. So yeah, these things repeat over and over again, and these two white charts up here are actually daily charts, so it happens at all different time frames as well. So let's get back to this trade here. I set my trade, it had to be above $50 because $50 is a major area of potential resistance there. Boom, there it goes. Look at it. It broke up to that upside there, and I got in long at $15.16. I'm long. Going to set a stop right down here underneath all of these the support areas and resistance areas, and let's see what happened after that. So I said the lesson today was always use a stop. So I got to about this point, and my computer was attacked, and my malware and virus protection shut my computer down and rebooted it. So thank goodness I had my stop in place, and at this point I had just moved it up here to break even, and all of a sudden I don't have access. So that's kind of a scary situation, but I was fine. I had a stop in place. I think it was just about to break even. It may have been 10 cents below here. But point is, always have a stop in place, because this could have turned around and I could have lost a lot. But instead, when I got back then, it took me a while to get rebooted back up, and now I'm up here, and now it's floating up here, and I'm like, this is nice. Now I was able to move my stop up in the money now, and following this 20 moving average up, now move it up to here to around the 50-60 area, and look at this. We're up here to $51, so it broke out from 50, now it's at 51, resisting, and then boom, just broke out from 50, bringing my stop up here, and then look at this. It went way up here on big volume, got a little bit of capitulation here. I pulled my stop up a little bit tighter here, and now the 51 could act as support and have it just roll right back up. If not, I'm going to have my stop right here, because if it busts down, I want to be out. And sure enough, what happened? It broke down, and I'm out at $50.89. So let's take a look at this trade here. Symmetrical triangle. It broke out above a major line of resistance, $50, even dollar amount, and then I just managed my stop. Part of the time I couldn't, because I actually had my computer out, and I got back up and I was able to manage it up here, and then as it dropped back down here, I was able to get out for 1.4% in 24 minutes. Hoo-ah! Now what's interesting is what happened after that, and I wasn't nimble enough. I was adding some other trades at the time, and look at this. It just did a complete V, inverted V here. Not only that, look at it, it kept going down below the $50 area here. And then what did it do? This is now a bear flag, which is bearish. If it broke down below the 50, was another potential trade right there. See how that formed? So again, we are forming new patterns all the time, and we could have gotten ready to go short on this one. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, if you'd like to join me 30 days for free in the Grokstar room, you can. Hey, just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. Up here to where it says Grokstar chat room, and here you can read about it. We prepared to look through the 7,000 stocks to focus it down to 6 or 7 that we're going to focus on when the market opens, and we trade all morning long from when the market opens at 9:30 Eastern time till about 11:30, 12 o'clock. So if you're available and be in front of the markets, then come join us. 30 days for free right there. Join now. And after that, it's about the price of one commission. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that When we trade, we always use a stop. We must protect the downside. Trade well.